Hello and welcome to the Pi Custom Cosmeceutical Makeup Lab. I'm Dr.Teo Wan Lin. I'm an accredited dermatologist and I'm here to show you the advanced color science system I created with my team of color scientists and chemists, which is used to create your dream color cosmeceutical makeup. Hi, I'm Dr.Teo Wan Lin. I'm an accredited dermatologist and also the founder of the Pi Custom Cosmeceutical Makeup Lab. So you may ask, why the name Pi? As you already know, Pi is a mathematical symbol 3.14159 with an infinite number of decimal places. The inspiration for this name came from the infinite possibilities that can be generated by the advanced color system that my team has developed for the production of custom makeup. What's so special about the LipSerum Stick? So first of all, it can be customized to every color that is imaginable. Secondly, our system allows you to use the correct shade of your favorite color to complement your underlying skin tone. It can brighten your natural skin tone and overall allows for a very flattering finish to your makeup. But most importantly is the cosmeceutical base. First of all, cosmeceutical ingredients such as the broccoli extract Lauricia, Salmon Roe DNA, oligopeptides are infused into the base of our makeup. And then 100% pure FDA-approved mineral colorants are added and adjusted according to your skin tone, your preferred shade, and incorporated in your favorite makeup. Categorizes your skin from type 1 to type 6. Everyone's skin is different, and so we also have a biosensor that analyzes the hydration level of your skin to ensure that the right ingredients are included in the cosmeceutical base so you can get the best results from your concealer. There is then a physical comparison to an existing color science system examining the range of human skin tones to ensure the perfect color match.